Welcome back, designers. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to create this spotlight effect for text directly in Figma. Grab something tasty and let's get started. First, let's create the text that will be overlaid with the effect. The font, size, and style are up to you. It doesn't matter. Let's make it the same color as our canvas. Let's move it outside the boundaries of our screen so we can animate it later. Now let's create the most important part, our animation. We need a circle, something like 80 by 80 pixels. Add color and apply the layer blur effect with a value of 72. Next, let's create a frame in which our circle will lie, otherwise the animation will not work. The size is similar to the size of the circle. Place the circle inside the frame and remove the frame fill and content cropping function. Now duplicate our frame with the circle and hide the visibility of the color in the circle inside the frame. Create a component set and animate our frames. Copy the two frames we created. Now we need to place the frames across the entire plane of our text that will be animated. This can be done quickly using the Command+D key combination or Control+D if you are using Windows. It is important that our text layer is below all the frames we place, so check this to make sure everything works correctly. If everything is correct, select all layers and apply the mask. That's it. Almost done. Drag our mask onto the frame and check the animation. Yes, it works pretty well. I like it. If you want to quickly change the color of the animation, just change the color of the circle in the component we created and everything will work fine. Great job, designer. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.